Hello friends, this is Riaz and I welcome back my YouTube channel Riaz Fitness and Food. Today I want to show you make grilled chicken friends. So friends, I try to show you very easy and simple way. So look at this. This is grilled chicken friends. I try to show you this all using item. First of all, we take this corn oil friends, then Maggi cubes, then chili paste, salt friends, then black pepper powder, garlic ginger friends, garlic ginger paste, this is mixed curry powder, yellow powder, then this is all using item friends. Before we start this chicken, we just keep one fork and try to hold some inside the chicken. Then is when you mix this sauce, then inside coming sauce very easily. So all this using item we mix properly all together. So garlic, ginger, salt, chili paste, then salt, black pepper powder, Maggi cubes, curry powder, yellow powder. Then we mix properly this all using item. After that, it's ready to mix now in the chicken. Now we mix inside the chicken is all using item. So look at this friends, I mix properly. So after mix properly friends, we keep in the chiller 15 to 20 minutes. Then we keep in the fire then for grill. So look at this is already done. So keep it in the chiller 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes it's ready to now make grill friends. Look at this, we keep in this grill now. Friends, if you new in my channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for new video friends. So friends, it's ready now. So look at this, we already make in the fire this chicken. Try to maybe it's 10 minutes enough to grill friends if you make a high fire in this grill. So friends, I try to show you very simple way to make grilled chicken. I hope you enjoy my video. So it's already done friends. So grilled chicken I serve in the dish. So look at this grilled chicken with some vegetables and some potato and this soft drinks friends. I hope friends you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new update. So friends, see you friends another time, another video. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.